Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to uncover one of the most vital concepts in forex trading? Today we are diving into margin level, the secret ingredient to keeping your trade safe and your account thriving. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, this is something you simply can't ignore. Stick with me and I promise you will leave with crystal clear insights that could transform your trading journey. So let's get started. What is margin level? So let's begin with the basic. What exactly is margin level? In simple terms, margin level shows that how much room you have left in your trading account before things get risky. It's expressed as a percentage and tells you the relationship between the money you are investing in active trades and your total account value. Here's how it's calculated. Margin level is equal to account equity divided by margin in use into 100. Now what is account equity? This is the current value of your account, which includes your balance plus any gains or losses from ongoing trade. What is margin in use? This is the amount of money that your broker is holding to keep your positions active. Think of margin level as your account's energy meter. A high percentage means that your account is in great shape, but a low percentage, that's a warning light telling you to act fast. Okay, example time. Margin level in action. Let's bring this to life with a quick example. Imagine that you have $3,000 in equity and you have used $500 as margin for your trades. To find out your margin level, $3,000 divided by $500 into 100, that is 600%. But what does this mean? With a margin of 600%, you have got plenty of breathing room. Your account is healthy and you can handle market fluctuations with ease. But what happens if the market takes a turn against you? Let's say that your equity drops to $1,000. Now your margin level becomes $1,000 divided by $500 into 100, that is 200%. Still manageable, right? But here's the kicker. If it drops below your broker's minimum threshold, let's say 100%, then you will receive something traders dread. That is a margin call. At that point, your broker may even close some of your positions to protect both of you from further losses. Now, why margin level matters so much? Why should you even care about margin level? Let me break it down into 3 key reasons. Number 1 is shield yourself from margin calls. Your broker sets a minimum level, often around 100%, to make sure that you can sustain your trades. Falling below that means that your account is at risk and you could lose control over your positions. Number 2, stay prepared for market swings. Forex market can be wild. A healthy margin level acts as a cushion, absorbing sudden price movements so you are not caught off guard. Number 3 is unlock greater flexibility. A high margin level gives you the freedom to explore new trades even when you have got open positions. It helps your options open and your strategies intact. Red flags. When margin level drops. What happens when your margin level starts sinking? It's not just numbers, it's a signal. Here are some of the red flags which you should watch for. Number 1 is below 150%. Start getting conscious. The market might not be moving in your favor. Around 120%, time to reassess your trades. Are you overexposed? Do you need to close some positions? Hitting 100% or less. This is a critical alert. Your broker might step in and you will lose control over your account. But you know what is the good news? That all of this is avoidable if you stay proactive. Now, how to manage your margin level like a pro? Managing your margin level does not have to be stressful. Here are 3 golden rules to help you stay ahead of the game. Rule number 1 is balance leverage and risk. Leverage is a double-edged sword. While it can amplify your gains, it can also magnify your losses. Always use leverage wisely and avoid putting all of your equity at risk in one trade. Now, rule number 2, monitor your account closely. Your trading platform is your best friend here. Keep an eye on your margin level, equity and open trades. Many platforms even send alerts when your margin level dips below a certain threshold. Rule number 3, leave room for the unexpected. Never invest all your funds into trades. By keeping a portion of your equity unused, you can handle unexpected market movements without hitting a margin call. The margin level sweet spot. So, what's a good margin level to aim for? While this varies by broker and trading style, most traders agree that staying well above 200% is ideal. It keeps you in a safe zone while giving you enough flexibility to adopt as the market changes. The final takeaway. To sum it all up, margin level is like the pulse of your trading account. It gives you insights into your account's health, helping you avoid the margin calls and also allows you to trade confidently. Remember, the forex market is full of opportunities, but it's also full of risk. By keeping a close watch on your margin levels and managing it wisely, you can stay in control and make smarter decisions. Well, that's a wrap for today. If this video gave you some clarity on margin levels, show us your support by hitting that like button, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe for more auctionable forex content. Got any more questions? Then drop them in the comment section and I would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, trade smart, stay focused, and remember that knowledge is your greatest asset in forex. See you in the next video.